are flying here at night. What special equipment do we have in here?
Yeah, the airplane's set up for night vision goggles, so very special wavelength of light and filters on all of the instruments that filter out the lights, the colors that blow out the night vision goggles.
Okay, but I don't have night vision goggles. You're the only one?
That's true. Unfortunately, you're not a U.S. person, so I can't let you see them. Yeah, we're ready to go fly.
And you put them down then? Ah, like this.
Closed and locked. Looks good. That is set. Alright, engine start. Pylon is green. Pumps 1 and 2 are on. Transceiver is idle. Ready for start. Power's coming in 2, 1. Got turns. There's ignited.
Cooling down. So why did we fly today at night? Why are you so crazy?
Well, we wanted to go see if there were any thermals. We found a little bit over the power plant and had a good time for a little bit.
And you also need to train to use these NVGs so that you're current with them.
Yeah, exactly. You have to stay pretty proficient, so try to fly every couple weeks on them just to keep the practice up.
And what is the goal with these night vision goggles on the glider?
Fly big flights. They're great for wave. Done a little bit of ridge flying at night, but you have to really be careful, and that is pretty limited in where you can go. But it's great for wave.
Awesome. As it was really hard to say anything during flight due to the noise of the jet engine and due to the headset, I will quickly explain you what we did. So we made a touch and go at an airfield, at a different airfield than here, without the lights on the runway on. So it was completely dark, but JP had night vision goggles on, so he could train how to make an outlanding at night, for example. But for me, it would not be possible to make a proper landing without any lights on the ground. So I would definitely aim for position lights on the ground if I need to make a land without night vision goggles. Yeah, really an amazing experience. Of course, today we've not really found a thermal. We tried to thermal above the power plant. There were some bumps, but yeah, we didn't really thermal, and we didn't quit the engine because it is more reliable to just leave it on and of course land with it as well. Yeah, but it is amazing what you can do at night. You can make wave flights, you can fly on the ridge, or even thermal at a power plant if the weather is good, if the air mass is good and if the power plant is turned on. So I think there are so many possibilities to use it, but there are only a few gliders in the world capable of doing it, and especially also only a few pilots. Thanks to JP for making this flight happen today. It's an exceptional experience, and then I hope to see you next time again. Cheers, guys.